My name is Shravani and I'm your practice examiner. This exam questions designed similar to the IELTS speaking test. So as you know, speaking test has three parts, part 1, part 2 and part 3. And the exam will take of about 11 to 14 minutes. So now we are going to start with part 1 first. So are you ready?
Yes.
Can you tell me your full name please?
My full name is Akshaya Deepika.
Okay, what can I call you?
You can call me Deepika.
Okay, Deepika, where are you from?
I'm from Hyderabad, a big city from the southern part of India, and I live in LB Nagar area.
Okay, do you work or study?
I'm currently working as a teacher and I really enjoy it because it helps me to develop my skills and interact with people.
Okay, let's talk about hobbies. What do you usually do in your free time?
In my free time, I read novels and practice cooking. Reading helps me to relax and expand my knowledge, while cooking helps me to be more creative.
Okay, Deepika, part 1 is completed. Let's go to the part 2. And now I will give you a topic. You will have 1 minute to prepare and then you should speak for 1 to 2 minutes and you may make some notes if you wish. And the topic is, describe a place you visited that left a strong impression on you, and you should say where it was, when you visited it, what you did there, and explain why it left a strong impression on you.
Okay.
Take this paper and your time starts now. Okay, Deepika, your time is up. Okay. Start.
One of the most memorable place which I visited is Jaipur. It also known as Pink City. We spent about a week exploring the city. I visited several historical monuments like Amber Fort and City Palace, and I was amazed by beautiful architecture and detailed artwork. Apart from sightseeing, I also enjoyed the local food, especially the Rajdhani special Dal Bati Churma. What impressed me the most is the combination of history and the culture. The city felt alive with the vibrant markets, colorful handicrafts, and warm hospitality of the people. It left me a lasting impression by giving a deeper understanding of India's heritage and culture.
Okay, let's go to the part 3 and let's have some discussion. Why do people like to visit historical places?
People visit historical places because they want to learn about past, understand how people lived, and appreciate the culture and architecture. It also gives them a sense of pride and connection with history.
Okay. Do you think people nowadays prefer modern attractions or historical sites?
I think it depends upon the person. Generally, young people are attracted to the modern places like theme park and shopping malls, while older people enjoy historical sites. However, tourism has developed so much that both of them are popular for different reasons.
Nice. How can governments protect historical sites?
Government can protect them by implementing strict conservation laws, limiting the number of visitors, and investing in restoration projects. Educating people about the importance of these places is also essential so that future generations can also enjoy them.
Okay, Deepika, the interview has completed. So it's nice to have an interview with you. All the best.
Thank you.